You saw Slater?
I miss them
Oh,
all.
you should have told him to do his queer impersonation.
I really miss them all.
So you could
I
go.
went so fast, like after I finished singing, and then they were just kind of like, you're so white, and then
You're so
they said,
That's the poster is Snow White.
they
I
said,
Snow
you're so white, and then Miguel, I think it was Miguel or someone here, and Kigoy were asking about my Tagalog, and then Kuya was like, okay, go out now. It was really, really
Did you
fast.
speak in Tagalog?
Yeah. Oh, no, and then he was saying,
Well, she's even stayed longer, I think, compared to you, right?
yeah, it's like she stayed longer a
She
little
gets
bit. It felt
time to
longer.
talk to us. Yeah.
And then, except when I came in, there was music when I came in. Here she didn't have music. And then, other than them they didn't ask me anything about
Joy
the
Wendy still
They're
there.
just
You had music when you went there?
Then, Divine,
I don't know, but like music was playing
Tom,
and the door.
Kigoy, Eating, except Seth.
I don't, maybe a bowl there was a
Yeah, Japan. I guess that's right.
Hindi pa pwedeng buksan, but
Marami set.
Di ba ba pwede buksan?
More of like...
Kigoy was really just talking.
Wala C or wala...
Yeah, shock sa lahat yan.
Bigo was like, your lips are, someone said you're white, and then Bigo goes, your lips are very colorful. And then he said, I'm Biggel, B-I-G-G-E-L, huh? Remember? Okay. And then, it was only like Biggel and Kigoy that I remember
Si
talking.
Tim nandun.
Oo, pero nandun lang siya.
What's
The
Biggle's
girls
hair
were
like?
just quiet.
Legal says anything?
Oh, did you talk
Except
to
for
you?
Denise.
Oh, Wendy.
Oh, and Denise and Divine.
Wendy says
They didn't talk to you?
Si Wendy.
She said,
Oo, nandun ka. Kasi,
you weren't paying.
Why didn't the girls talk to you?
But then there's, but the boys,
You're the one who entertained, yeah?
they're just quiet.
More boys.
Kigoy, no, like all the boys that happened to Kigoy, and then Divine too, and Wendy came around too, and Denise. That's all.
Did they show you around the house?
No time. I just sat in there and looked around. But it's like,
Yeah.
it's super nice. It's spicy.
It's beautiful, huh? I
I
love the bright color.
I mean, it's higher than this.
It's about the same.
I need the white color.
It's just different. The design is so nice. Does it feel just like a house?
Like home.
Diba I told you the first time? The first time I went there, I told you their house is nice.
Yeah, you would feel more
That one, that's
like your home.
This one is the original Kigoy Big Brother setup.
Because the color of my house is white.
Wait,
White.
So looks like you're in the inside. Just like in a
their
house.
lounge room.
It reminds me
Yeah, they don't have metal stuff on their walls.
They just have the cameras like this, random places, and then it's curtains.
Did you walk through and see all the big mirrors?
It was so fast. I just came in, and then they're like, sit down. I was like, no.
And there's mirror there too. And in my home, there's also a big mirror.
But like, as in like when you come, even their storage room is, it's high ceiling.
Oh yeah, the storage room is high ceiling.
And then it's just like
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's very nice.
You're gonna love it.
I think that's the original house because their batteries are in the rack.
I think it's a new built house.
They
That's a
knocked
new
down
built.
half of I think
Yeah.
the original. That's the new, and then this is the original because this is the original.
Setup. How's Biggle's hair now? Is it down?
It was.
Oh, no.
It didn't have a mohawk.
Not
It was
anymore?
short.
Short, really short?
Pero gwapo niya.
Sino? Bigel? Oh yeah, that's short hair.
Does it look skinny or flat in stomach?
She doesn't kasi hindi niya naman nakita before
The
si Bigel.
tallest.
Oo.
He's
He has like light brown eyes.
He's the
like
tallest.
Oh, and then hazel eyes
Gwapo.
actually.
And he's
I have German.
thin.
He's so
He was the first one to
He
come.
gave his breakfast to Tintin.
and he got pretty thin.
And he's working out with Carlo.
Oh, okay.
I know that my friend is friends with the thin girl.
Thin din? Really? Patrimonyo.
Kasi yung brother that
Kami?
played basketball player.
Kanina ba natin buksan yun?
Oo.
Who knows?
Di ba natin buksan?
Well, I think we have to
Yeah,
wait
yeah.
for Kuya's instruction.
Yeah. He never
Yes,
said
no.
don't open it yet. He said I can just start talking about it when the present's here we can.
Her dad's a basketball player.
Yeah, she's very athletic.
There's fart in there. It's a Sicilian message.
Ah, okay.
Did you us off?
Wayok. Maganda gift natin.
Jesus. What is it? Wayok. Mali pa spelling.
It's a little scary.
Sorry pa.
Takot naman.
Jesus!
Ano to? Bayok.
Paamo.
Amo.
Wayok.
Merry Xmas.
What is this, a pants?
Kiko really misses you.
Or W?
Have a high voltage Christmas.
Kasi...
Ano nangyari?
Oh, maybe it fell apart.
Oh, maybe it's supposed to be on something. Nothing. Regalo.
Ano ba to?
Break ka?
Joke na.
That's a...
Sundik.
Ako for you.
This is fun.
It's a spray can.
Puro bra.
Yeah.
Ryan,
Kababra.
Jeffrey, Kevin.
Mascara ito. Mascara.
Jessica.
Hindi, Brian.
These are kind of funny. I like them.
Oh, cute.
Elements mo.
Hot. Oh, this is
Ano,
cute.
mascara o
I love
boobs?
this.
Una do.
Martin.
Supposed to be fancy.
Para
Ang
Frankie.
cute naman.
Erica, we don't have Erica anymore.
Ah. Yeah, a lot of
I didn't know it's from
Yeah,
you.
Kevin.
Makagawa ni ano. Elements. Haba.
Sino to?
See, I told you we should have done that. You should have done that. We should stab their heart.
Ako ito sa'yo.
Kaya lang. Tite.
I love it.
Yun yung lang mga dun yung salita niya.
I
Salamat.
know it's from Cebu.
Ang cute naman.
Yo.
I love it. Ganito.
No, lipstick. Oh.
Do teach you that?
I said, makakabili ng tawag.
Yes. I learned that.
Is that from Kiba?
Erica.
Okay, Goy. I love you. Nakakarubi naman si Kuya may Goy. Ano yan sa'yo, Paco?
Tite.
Oh, this is your brand balls.
May
Ang ganda
tite.
to. I love it.
Oh, wow. It's a phallus.
Wayok.
Elements.
Wayok po.
Oo nga.
Anong hapit na?
Malapit.
Malapit na.
Oh, that's hapit is Bisaya.
Malapit na. Wayok. But then this one is Wayok.
Sa inyo, man.
Oh, Merry Christmas, baby.
Okay, thank you.
How did they know this?
Maybe later or the
Wait, what did they say?
Go Cebu. Because my name is not from Cebu.
Ang gumawa niyan si Roy.
So, paano sila
Ay, Kuya Roy!
Maybe. The person who did it probably is from Cebu.
Sino gumawa sa'yo?
Who did
Parang
this?
kaya talaga you can, she has such a nice
Kuya
face.
Roy,
Thank
thank
you.
Ganda talaga si
She was
Divine.
like
I'm
the
gonna
first
go
one.
see our
She first. Like, singing first.
She have long hair.
Ano yan? Alam na. The girl that I know.
Sino ba like Denise?
No, I use this.
What is that?
I love it. Where can we put it up?
Baka si Tolong gumawa nito.
Joy.
Because
Yes, na Joy. Joy. Merry
And
Christmas.
then it lights on fire.
Kuya 18. May tarong ka pa.
Yeah.
Roy. Jericho.
Wayok.
Kuya Tagoy.
Sing.
See, these are good.
Macmail.
They're naughty. Get it? Naughty. Boobs.
the mouse dick.
Bag.
Dick.
They're the spray can.
Spray ka. Dick.
Maraming
Sarap yan.
Maraming salamat.
Kumpara mo, pula. Apoy.
Sabi ko pa bra. Ay, sabi ko pa
So
mascara.
theirs is really
Yeah,
walang
it's like
mascara.
Nandito ko talaga.
Depressing?
Little bit.
Oh my god.
But there, because there's a so decorated. Their confession room looks like Winter Wonderland.
So their actual house is like
Yung akin meron pang ano.
Who did this? Denise.
Plastic.
Ang ganda kaya yun. Ang ganda niyo. Sabi siya sa
para
tas.
siya
Hanip. Kaya may nakasalit sa likod. Hanip. ABS.
Bakit nag-emo yung isang J5 natin? Bakit nag-emo yung isang J5?
Oh my God.
Ewan ko sa.
Oh my God.
Gaganto pa suot niya.
Wala na, patalikod na talaga siya pumupunta. Weird. Lobat na
Cute siya, no? Cute siya.
Para din ano?
para siyang sumali ng ano ng
Ba't mo kinain mga kung ano nilagay nila dyan?
Si Paco lang sa si Paco. Paco, sana. Hi, I'm Denise.
First time niya ako nakita na ano eh. Ay, hindi.
nap.
Nagitas nga.
Hindi, nakita na nila tayo before.
Sama naroroon.
Alam mo yung
Walang
advantage, alam mo yung advantage
nagtagumpay.
na nakuha nila ng
Ano?
Belen? Nakikita nila tayo.
Sayang. May glitters na. Hello. Ay, the bread with
Siya tayo nag-spray sa akin eh.
Kinain.
Basta. Si Seth yung umutot sa akin.
Adik eh.
Ba't wala na yung si Seth? Ba't hindi nakita niyan?
Saan ka man naroroon sa atin ang tagumpay?
Posible yun. Nakita natin dyan.
Maganda siya, no? Cute siya. Maganda kaya siya. Tulo mo si Mama Luz.
Try ko lang.
Maganda si Dennis.
Maganda yan. Very frank yung babae.
Kung yun eh, tumitig sa tititigan ko yun. Hindi mo tumingin ng ayos.
Diba pa? Si Dennis.
Ayos din.
Dennis.
Ka-break. Kapaganda din.
Maybe she attracted you, right?
Dede mo.
Ha?
She attracted you.
Maybe. But she not focus on my eyes. Maybe she know. Maybe she know it already.